everyone, welcome back. My name is Ratnika and you have reached Natural Vibration. This is a divine feminine, empowering, positive reading about what the divine feminine needs to work on. So, if you are in a twin flame or a soulmate situation where you feel you're the divine feminine, it doesn't have to be the feminine person, which is according to sex, it's just the energy, can apply to a man as well, or to women or whatever. And this is basically what you need to focus on and the stuff that you need to basically do for your empowerment, for your own growth, for your own healing. If you are in a twin flame dynamic, what ends up happening is that we're so focused on what the divine masculine is doing, but not what we need to do. And a lot of times people are like, the divine masculine, all with the divine masculine videos do well, but at the end of the day, we need to focus on our own healing. That is the only thing we can control. We can't control what the divine masculine does. The only thing we can control is what we do, and that's what we need to focus on. So let's just start with what we get. These are general readings, will not apply to everyone, so take what resonates and let the rest go. If you do like my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel so that I know you appreciate what I do. Alrighty, so dear universe, please work with me to give me advice for all divine feminine. Let me finish. Come on, divine. Let me finish. For all divine feminines, what do they need to work on at this moment? What advice or guidance can you give divine feminine? What do they need to work on in their life in general with regards to union, love, self-preservation, everything? All right. You're going through a karmic completion. So divine feminine, if you're watching this, you have gone through a karmic completion, or you're in the process of completing a chapter, a karmic chapter. All right, one part of your life is over. This is energetically one part of your life is over. And I am definitely been feeling that. I feel I am the divine feminine myself, and I do feel this, that a chapter, a lesson is over. There is something that you guys have been working towards that it's now sort of coming into a completion so that a new chapter can begin. So a lot of you will feel like, okay, this is something that's been plaguing me or it's been going on in my life for so long. That's over, So that's where you're at the moment. What else? So if you are still like in the midst of it, just know that it will end soon. And there will be a rebirth. There will be a rebirth of something new. All right? A rebirth of the divine feminine, I feel. This rebirth could be just a new chapter in your life. If you've been suffering, if you have been going through a lot the last few months, the last few years even, that chapter is coming to a close, so something new can begin, and something new which is good and happy and healing. And there you go. There could be a possibility of a relationship change. Now, this could be a relationship change with a person in your life, like a parent or a friend or a partner. This could be with your divine masculine as well. You have a period where something has ended. Maybe separation has ended. Maybe the issues that are holding you guys apart has ended, and now there is going to be a relationship change in the future. It could be in the next week, could be in a month, could be in a year, but everybody's on a different timeline. What else? Yep, you're going through massive amounts of changes. See, this is being reiterated over and over again. Divine feminine, you're going through massive changes at this moment. All right. So again, focus on yourself. Focus on your own growth. Focus on what's going on with you, because at the end of the day, it's only about you. It's not about your divine masculine. You guys are mirrors. The minute you do work on yourself, that's when they'll start working on themselves, and the relationship will heal. If you want union, if you want anything like that, you've got to work on yourself. That's all you have to do. So dear universe, what advice can you give the divine feminine, the universe, at this moment? High priestess. See, it's about you coming into your own power, divine feminine. You are a creator of your world. You are a creator of your destiny. All right? You know what you want. But the only way you can do that is by not suppressing your own power. You need to be the divine feminine. Look at this card. She is in her power. She is who she's meant to be. She is completely in tune to who she's meant to be. And that's what the universe is saying, is that you really need to sort of come into your own power and stop being afraid of things. Put out your intentions and know what you want. Thoughts, words, intellectual analysis, the wind fairy. You need to focus on your thoughts and your words. How negative are you in your day to day? Are you being positive? Do you truly believe that what you want can happen, or are you all about negative thinking? Because if you are all about negative thinking, then you're not coming into your own power. Remember, you can create your own world. So if you're thinking that this sucks and I'm never going to get what I want, life sucks and blah blah blah, that's a self-fulfilling prophecy. See, this card actually says prophecy on it. Because guess what? Abundance can be yours. Abundance is coming to you. But you gotta have abundant thoughts. You gotta think as if you already have what you want. You gotta know deep down that whatever it is that you want, whatever it is that you ever wanted, is possible. But you've got to, you gotta know it. You gotta believe it. You gotta have independent, healthy boundaries. You cannot just be all about the masculine. You cannot let other people's emotions, other people's bullshit influence you. You have got to be independent. There's so many people out there who are like, oh, without my divine masculine, I can't survive. Says who? Didn't you survive half of your life before you even met them? So stop being that person who is like, I can't be without them. Of course, I understand you love them. You want to be with them. So do I. But that should not stop you from being who you're meant to be. You should not let them control you. That ends up becoming codependent energy. We don't want that. Focus on what you want. The universe has stopped certain things in your path from happening because you are not focusing on what it is, what needs focus. A lot of times we try to sort of when we want something, the universe stops it because either you're not ready or the way you're going about it is not ready. So the universe is saying is that during your path, if there is a blockage, if there is a disruption, then you shouldn't take it as a negative. You should take it more in terms of, hey, you need to focus on what you want rather than why it's not rather than it's not happening. Sorry, focus on why it's not happening. What is it that is stopping you? What is it that you haven't dealt with? Because anything you want is possible, but you've got to really be open. You gotta know that if something has been blocked, it's blocked for a reason. And not because you can't get it, it's because there's something that you need to work on. What else advice can you give divine feminine? Take a break. A life's work, not a season. Get off the treadmill. The universe is saying that you don't need to go through everything. This rebirth, this change that you're going through, it doesn't have to happen overnight. Anything that you're trying to manifest does not have to happen overnight. Sometimes it takes longer. Sometimes you need to give yourself the time it takes to go through the changes. We all want to get into union right away. We all want it to happen now. But sometimes change takes as much time as it needs. Lemuria, creating heaven on earth, is happening. The universe is saying is that whatever you want to happen is happening. But sometimes it could take longer than you expect it. That doesn't mean you need to sort of, take a shortcut, because whatever you want is happening. It's happening right now. It's in the process. You've got to give it the time it needs. All right? All right, let's see what else. Universe, any other messages for the divine feminine at this time? Don't wear a false mask. Don't pretend to be anything that you're not. Be true to yourself. All right? And that is all of this. If you are in a karmic situation that you are afraid to get out of, don't wear that mask anymore. The universe is saying that you know who you truly are. You know who you're meant to be. So don't be anything less than you're meant to be. You're meant to be this high priestess. You're meant to be this goddess. So why would you accept anything less than that? You can have your soulmate. So you know this. So don't, I feel like some divine feminine may be trying to be like, no, 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 this is not going to work out. This is not going to work out, and I'm not going to get into union, and blah blah blah, and blue blue blue, and all that funny business. And what I'm trying to say is that you don't need to wear this self-protective mask. We do that because we don't want to get hurt. We do that but we don't want to get our expectations high. I'm not saying have a high expectation is going to happen tomorrow. It's about having that peace in your heart where you're like, you know what, I know whatever's meant to be for me will happen, and I know I'm already progressing. All right, that is all. The love of my life, whether it's my twin flame, whether it's someone better, will be with me. That is what you need to go with. You don't need to go in, oh my God, nothing's going to work out. That is a false mask, and you don't need to hold on to that. Anything else for the divine feminine? Just know it is safe for you to trust this connection. It is safe for you to love. It is safe for you to give your energy to this connection and give yourself that energy. You will get the love of your life. You will not be alone forever. Remember that. That is what, it may not, like I said, it may not happen right now. It could take seasons, it could be taking years, but what is more important? Being with the person you love, or when it happens? As long as you get it, isn't that enough? That's all that matters. So get what you truly want. We'll pick some more cards. The universe, any more advice or guidance for the divine feminine at this time? Watch and see how things unfold. You don't have to you don't have to over stress about it. I am also getting a couple of other things. This could be you might be spying on your twin. The universe is saying is you don't need to do that. Your twin might be spying on you. They might be checking you out on social media. And the other meaning to this is just watch and see how things unfold. You don't have to force anything to happen. Just watch and see. What you need to focus on is your divine feminine power. We already went over this, the high priestess. It's the same message twice. You need to focus on your own power, your divine feminine power. During this time of separation is a time for you to work on yourself, your inner child. You gotta find your tribe. You gotta find people like us where you feel like you belong. All right. This is again removing the mask of deception. You don't have to wear a mask. You don't have to be somebody you're not supposed to be. And that happens because you need to heal your inner child. You got to know that you're enough, that you're safe. It is safe for you to love. That no matter what, you will always be safe around people who truly love you. So if you are in a situation where you don't feel like you belong, the universe is saying is let go of that. Put down that mask, because if you don't belong there, people who are your tribe, excuse me. Wow, that came out of nowhere. Excuse me. People who are your tribe, people who are truly the ones to have in your life, will accept you no matter what. So if you feel, so you have to feel safe to know that the right people will accept you no matter what. Right friends, right family, right lovers, they will all accept you no matter what. All right, I'm just going to do one last card from the Power Tarot. The universe, the gods and goddesses, please offer me just understanding for all the feminine. One last message for the divine feminine. Page of Raphael. A new emotional situation. Messages regarding relationships or social invitation. Great intuitive insights. There you go. We already had the relationship change, we had rebirth, and this is telling you something new is starting. Be patient. Trust your gut. Don't trust your ego mind. Trust your gut. Something new is starting when it comes to your emotions, your love life. Something new is coming. So just be open to it. And just know deep in your heart, you don't have to put timelines to it. Just be open that whenever it's the right time, it'll come to you. Alright guys, I hope this was helpful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you wish to book a private reading or like a year review or anything, do log on to my website. Take care. Bye.